Welcome to TechMarketer, and I'm Nick. I am the marketing side of TechMarketer, and we are going to go through a quick and easy way to collect form data, turn it into an image, and create a note in AgencyZoom. So what we're going to start off with first is my preferred form tool, Gravity Forms. This will work with Gravity Forms, JotForms, whatever form tool you need that connects to Zapier and gives you the data you need. I have one in here that's just a lead form, basically. Connected to it, selected the form, admin labels, give it a unique name. We've already got a submission. Next, we're going to use an app called HTML CSS to image. This is a paid service. It's relatively inexpensive. You can start out and test it with their freemium account, but it is paid if you want to go any more than 10 images a month. This is it right here. I don't care if you have the API key or not. So basically what this does is it takes and you can create, and I will give this core HTML in the blog post and link to this in the video. But this is the HTML. We're going to grab basically the name, email, and phone number. Now any form you want to build, you can add on to and add more components to this. You don't need to test it because I already have. This is what it's going to create. Now, this is just like any other third-party tool, especially your form tools, do not collect PII. Social security numbers, birth dates, credit card information, that kind of stuff. Don't collect PII. Even when we're doing things like what we're going to do here, you don't want to be collecting that information through non-secure forms. The next thing we're going to do is we're actually going to upload the file to a Google Drive. That way it's not sitting out in an AWS bucket anywhere. Then you're going to connect to your AgencyZoom, give it the appropriate title, do your lead contact email, and then you're going to drop that link into the image. Does that make sense? Sorry, you're going to drop the link to that image in the note. That way, when they go to it, they can open up. On that folder in Google Drive, you're going to make sure that the file permissions are set for your team. Whatever file storage service you want to use, I don't care. This is just the one that I'm most familiar with and use. So again, the process is you're going to collect a form submission. You're going to use convert HTML to image, run it through that, create the image that looks like this. And you can change the HTML. This is just a really quick and dirty template I put together trying to remember HTML. Upload the file and create the note in AgencyZoom. And it's done. And it's ready. And the note will be on the lead in your AgencyZoom account. That's the process. Enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions and hit that subscribe button.